Hey all, back at you with a room tour. Our December 2024 stay in the Inspira Swim Out Suite at Atelier Playa Mujeres, room 2120. This particular room came with 2 beds. As you enter the room, there is a small hall. Immediately off the hall is the bathroom. This bathroom can be fully opened or closed off. When it is closed off, the room does feel much smaller. The soaker tub does sit kind of in the middle of the area. There are double sinks, a separate shower, and water closet. The shower smelled strongly of chemicals, which can be rough when taking a hot shower. Bathrooms are equipped with Molten Brown Care products. I personally did not use any of these products. Across from the bathroom, there is plenty of storage for unpacking your luggage. There is also a room safe for all of your important personal items. The room did come with a TV that we never turned on. Along that same wall, a bar cart was stocked. We did request that some of the liquor be swapped out for something different, and they were unable or chose not to do this for us. They did, however, have a great snack area. The mini fridge did have juice, soda, and water. Double beds were fine, but the pillows never smelled with the scent that was picked during check-in. I've heard some people complaining about the lights under the beds. This was never an issue. They did light up if you stepped out of bed during the night, but it was nice to not bump into anything with that extra light. Then they promptly shut off. There was a small sofa with a coffee table that we hardly ever used. Also a small table with 2 chairs. Only used this once when we tried out room service. The table is tiny and we had to utilize the coffee table also. The best part of this room was the swim out. Not only to have 2 sun chairs, but also a lounge-like bed. Great place to relax. We did not truly utilize this swim out, but the water did seem heated. This specific room is just down the hall from the gym, with an overall great location central to everything. The room was the cheapest Inspira room available when we booked. Swimouts can be nice and we have stayed in several, but this resort is large and we rarely found ourselves going back to the room during the day. I would probably book a different type of room, not the swimout. I would take a cheaper room level and just enjoy one of the mini pools, possibly taking the money saved and having a longer stay. Overall, great room with the best snacks.